In 2026, having an online business is the way to go, and in this video I'm going to give you online businesses that you can be able to start from the comfort of your home with literally absolutely no money. So this is a video for someone who has no money and they have no idea how they are going to build themselves. Then this is the video for you. I'm going to give you ideas and businesses you can be able to start today. The only thing you need to have is good laptop and a good skill and also good internet, and you are good to go. So this is beginner friendly business idea because most of them are things you can be able to start literally today and build yourself to where you need to be. So if you are someone who has been looking to get started on the online space, you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Business idea number one that I have tried and I was able to make $1,000 in 1 week. So when I say it is literally paying, you need to hear this. AI automation. I started my AI automation virtual assistant service in 2025 in October, and I was able to build and make my first $1,000 in just 1 week after launching it. So this is a business that so many small business people are in need of, because so small business people have so many challenges that they need to be catered for, from customer care, customer inquiries, social media, and all these other things. They need AI tools that can be able to automate and make work easier for them. But so many business people do not have the time. They do not know where to get started with AI, and that is where you come in. You can be able to learn AI tools that can be able to simplify and make work easier for small business people, and in return you can make the money by selling to them a system or selling to them a service that can help them in doing all this. So when it comes to small business people, there are so many struggles they go through. I will leave a free checklist down here below on some of the problems that so many small business go through, that you can go and check out and look at the one that you can solve for them. And when it comes to building the system, that is where the money is in. I was able to build a system that helps small business people in bringing in leads, being able to build an email list for them, and also social media and content marketing. I was able to automate this for them, and this is something that so many business people struggled with. And if you are interested in this kind of system, you want to be able to just do this the way I did it, I will leave a template down here below that you can grab for yourself and go and follow the system and build the business that you can be able to offer services for small business people just like the way I did it. So this is a business that is going nowhere because AI is here. If you don't take advantage of AI, learn about AI and automation, then you will be the one to be replaced. So make sure you understand AI and use it to your advantage. Business idea number two is fitness coaching. This is a very high in demand service that so many people are in need of it in literally right now, because when the year begins, so many people have a lot of resolutions, and one of them is keeping fit and losing weight. Most of them go through this, but not all of them can actually reach the goal they need to reach on their own. That's why they look for fitness coaches who can be able to walk with them in that journey, direct them and show them the path they need to be able to follow, so that they can have that snatched body that they want, the athletic body that they want. But where the problem comes in is you need to have actually gotten the results. You cannot be able to sell for people this kind of coaching service when you yourself have not experienced that result. So many people really want to see the results. Maybe you can show them your before and after photo and start selling it to your online space and telling people some of the things you did and build a coaching business out of it. You can offer consultation services, you can offer one-on-one coaching on a daily basis, you can sell coaching videos or create coaching videos and place them on the online space. There are so many things you can do around it. And if you're a fitness coach or you're someone or a business person who is looking to automate their workflow and simplify their workflow and make work easier for them, you can get my services down here below. I will be able to create for you an onboarding workflow that can be able to generate you leads that you can sell to and make extra cash. So get the link down here below and get started with me. The third one is meal prepping. Just like coaching, people are definitely in the mood of changing their meals. People want to eat healthy, people want to eat clean food, people want to be able to have a balanced diet so that their body can look fit. And when it comes to meal prepping, not so many people really like to cook. Others don't even know what they need to cook. Others are not even sure what is required, the recipe, the portions, and all this. That is where you come in. You can be able to create meal prep plans that you can sell as a digital product. You can be able to offer consultation and just talk to your clients and talk to people and tell them some of the meals that they need to eat, some of the things that they need to cut off if they want to add weight, if they want to lose weight, and all this. And these are things you can be able to sell on the online space, and you literally do not have to have any money. You just need to have the knowledge when it comes to meal prepping, or you have actually gone through the experience and you know some of the things that can help people in losing weight, in losing belly fat, in gaining weight, because some people want to gain weight, so it's not everybody who wants to lose weight. Yeah. Fourth one is selling journals. It is a new year. So many people have resolutions. Some of them it's just journaling on a daily basis. Selling journals can be the way to go. And when it comes to selling journals, you do not have to overthink it. You can be able to create and sell digital journals. So this is the process. You can create a digital journal on Canva. It is definitely easy and very easy to get started. I will leave a link to a video that I walk you through on how to create it down here below. After you have created it, you need to have an Amazon KDP account. This is an account that allows you to be able to sell your digital products on Amazon. It is very easy to create, but if you're struggling again, you can book a call with me and we can be able to create for you an Amazon KDP account that you can start selling at. So you create your Amazon KDP account, you place your digital products, and then you start promoting and selling your digital product. And all this you did with absolutely no money. You did not spend any money in creating, you did not spend any money on Amazon, because Amazon will actually do all the things for you. They'll pay you a portion of the money. So they will take a portion, like 70%, you get 30%. So you need to be able to know how much you'll be pricing, but you need to create a good journal. Especially when it comes to creating journal, I recommend that you niche down. The more you niche down, the better, because journals are very high in demand. So many people are creating, but you can go and niche down, like do something like a women prayer journals. Is solving a specific problems for women who want to be prayerful. So if you can be able to niche down, the better. Fifth one is becoming a UGC content creator. UGC is taking over. So many brands are literally looking for organic videos, organic content that they can be able to place on their social media platform to sell their product. And that is where UGC comes in. You can be able to create organic content, organic videos that you can sell to brands at a affordable price. So you, as a beginner, you can start selling at one video for $100, $80. I was able to create my first UGC content video and I sold it at $80. So it is something that is there and it is possible. When it comes to UGC, you just need to have your phone. You need to be good when it comes to creating content and also speaking, and also you need to have products that you can be able to sell. Don't make it to look too advertising in the sense that it's so polished or everything. No, they are looking for organic. And the good thing about UGC is you don't need to you don't need to create that content and sell and promote it on your platform. You literally can just create and send it to your brand and they will be the one promoting it on their platform. So it is a win-win. You don't have to go and overthink, like, if this video doesn't get this amount of views, I'll not be paid. Okay, that is how people are making money on the online space. UGC is definitely something you need to consider. And when it comes to UGC, if you're a beginner, you can be able to take random products in your house from random products or services that you have used on the online space and just speak about them. Place it on your portfolio. When it comes to portfolio, I will leave a link to a template that is a done for you portfolio template that will help you to just take the video that you have created and just place it directly on that portfolio and you are good to go. So when it comes to selling this kind of videos, you need to reach out to brands when you are beginning. So create as many videos around the brand you want to create. So if it's on beauty, you can create around beauty, around food, around supplements or services that you have used, and then reach out to these brands by sending them an email and telling them you are a UGC content creator. You can be able to create. Here is your portfolio. If they want, they can check out and they see that whatever you are creating is good, they can reach out to you and start working with you. So the more you grow, the more audience, the more you grow, the more brands you work with, the more you increase your rates. Okay, so in your beginning you can start low, but as you grow you can increase your rates. Okay, freelance services. So when it comes to freelance services, there are so many services you can offer as a freelancer, but the first thing is you need to be able to have a skill. There's no way you're offering a service and you have not yet learned a skill or have a skill that you can offer as a service. So skills like social media marketing, skills like virtual assistants, skills like AI automation, skills like digital marketing, email marketing, these are high on demand skills, especially right now, because so many people are on the online space. They want to know how to navigate and make time easier for them. And if you can be able to learn these skills, then you can be able to offer a freelance service. And when it comes to learning these skills, you can be able to learn them on Coursera. It is an online platform that allows you to learn for absolutely free for the first 7 days. You want to be able to grab your 7 days and get started with them, the link is down here below. Because when it comes to learning a skill, the good thing about having an online skill is you will never go bankrupt. You will never sleep hungry, because you have a skill that you can be able to monetize by selling your services, either through cold pitching on clients on LinkedIn, or selling your services on Upwork and FIVERR, or just creating content that people can be able to get to you organically on your social media platform. Because these are ways in which freelancers are being able to get clients. So if you can recommend, if you are starting, consider one skill that you can be able to just put your mind and your focus on, and then perfect it. After you have perfected it, that is when you can move on to adding more skills. So when you're starting, you can just start with email marketing, social media marketing, and afterwards you can add on other skills. Okay, the other one, which is the last one, is content creation. I can never talk more about this because content creation is the way I began in making money on the online space. If I never took my phone and started creating content, I can assure you I will never have learned so many things that I have learned on the online space. I will never have built my automation business. I will never have worked with brands that I have worked with. I'll never even be here creating the kind of videos I'm creating to educate. But the moment I took my phone and decided that I want to create YouTube videos, I want to be able to teach people, that is the way I was able to start my journey. When it comes to content creation, it is very easy to get started. You just need to have value that you offer, either through the videos you create, either through the blogs you write. Number two is you need to have your phone. You need to have your phone, because when it comes to creating content, you definitely need to have a phone. It doesn't have to be an iPhone. I literally use Samsung and it does the work. Create those videos on the online space. Choose a platform. Choose a platform that will work for you. I always recommend people to choose a long form platform and then they choose another short form platform. So for me, I chose YouTube as my long form platform, and then I went to TikTok as my short form platform. So you can either decide to do podcast and Instagram. You can decide to do blogs and LinkedIn. So it doesn't have to be specifically videos. If you are good in writing, you can be able to choose things like blogs. Go and create your own website on places like Bluehost and start blogging, start writing those blogs. Go to LinkedIn, shorten whatever you have written on your blog post as a LinkedIn post and promote your blog post there on places like Pinterest and all this, and grow your audience, grow your viewers, and you will see the results. The only thing I recommend people is when you're starting in content creation, you need to be consistent. Don't create one video and then after 2 months, that's when you're coming back. You need to be definitely consistent. You need to offer value, because people really need value. People are hungry for education. People are hungry for information. So if you can offer value, they will definitely listen to you. And then be patient. Be patient, because money doesn't come in a snap. It takes time. It takes consistency. It takes a lot of trial and error before you can see that money flowing in your account. So up to this point, I hope someone has learned something. Please don't forget to grab yourself either your template, either your courses, or take the services that you need, or acquiring my services to help you grow in your business, because 2026 is the year that I want to see people elevating and growing and reaching the levels that they need to reach. And if making money on the online space is something for you, you definitely want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because that is what you talk about every single time. Business ideas, making money, business tips. You definitely want to watch this channel. And do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Till next time, bye-bye.